Welcome traders, Patrick Head Trader, Trading123.net. In this video, we're trading crude oil here with our Trading123 levels indicator. We just updated it and made some improvements to it. As you see, the labels here on the side, you can adjust them to space them so they're not right into price action. And they identify, there's four labels: the prior high, open, low, and close. And basically, trading is all about support and resistance. And when I first started trading over 20 years ago, like my third year in, I was trading at a company, a trading firm. Rented a computer for them for the month. I think it was like, I don't know, 2 monitors back then. It was like I don't know, $150 a month. And they were the big old CRT monitors too. So basically, there was no fancy indicators back then. So trading was all about support and resistance. And this is what I used to trade off of support and resistance. I mentored with the trader that did the mentoring there, and he taught me all about support and resistance and how institutions will buy the levels as you see on the chart to move the price action, and how they'll short it when it gets to a resistance level and their targets are the next support level. So I put this to work and started having more successful trades and have been using it ever since. So basically here, crude oil runs up here over the prior low and it moves up. If you took it long here, your first target would be always the prior close. There's no reason to scalp this for 4 or 6 ticks. It's going to go to the next resistance level and it goes through it and blows through it and keeps going. And then here you also learned about candlestick patterns, and basically this is a shooting star pattern. As you see, it's got the long wick, so there was a big surge of volume and then it dried up and then the bottom fell out. So basically I shorted this using an ATM strategy of 3 contracts. My first profit target was 15 ticks on the first 2 contracts, which gives me a $300 profit, and then my trail stop kicks in and then it goes to break even. And so I'm in a winning trade and I'm just managing it. Now my target was the prior low here, which is support at 68.93. However, crude started to wiggle here and it was moving pretty slow like it does at times. And I didn't want to get in a quick 10 tick, 12 tick bounce, even though I had my stop tight. So I tightened the stop a little and got out of the trade. And at 69.06 instead of 69, which was my target, but no big deal. So the first trade netted 15 ticks on 2 contracts, which is 300. The second trade, 19 ticks on 1 contract, $190. And so altogether, 490 minus commission, about 470 or so. So a very good trade and a nice setup. And the power of support and resistance, like I said, institutions use this. So you want to trade with institutions and follow the money like they always say. This is how they do it. They're not waiting for a MACD crossover or a stochastic or whatever else everybody's using, Bollinger Bands, or it's just RSI or Or what's that other one? Yeah, RSI. I never used that indicator in my life. Um, so it's all about support, resistance. Institutions, come in and buy these levels. They have big volume behind it. Sweet trade, one and done, and you come back and you repeat it the next day. So for more information on this indicator, visit our website, trading123.net, and look under the Indicators tab. And be sure to follow us on Facebook and Twitter, and subscribe to our YouTube channel here. And we'll see you in the next video. This is Patrick Head Trader at Trading123.